Hey guys, so today I'm doing a vlog, Miss Carrie, and we are picking up the RV right now, and it's right out there. We're going camping in Orange Beach and doing just fun stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging, and we're about to go in the RV, and I've never been in an RV before.
Me neither.
I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay.
You ready, Erica?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? I'll follow you.
Oh my
It's
god.
so cool.
And it opens up.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Whoa, there's a road.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
There's a table and everything.
Look at this. Look at how.
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
Oh my
There's a
gosh.
fridge
Whoa.
and a freezer.
We got the fridge and a freezer.
It's so
Oh my
big. So we haven't left yet. Oh,
Here's Belle.
we haven't left yet, but
On the window.
we're about to. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want a DJ.
DJ! We're moving. And it's like,
Watch it from here. It looks so cool. Hey, you guys. So you're gonna watch it from out the window. We're moving.
oh my god, y'all.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
So we're on a bridge and we're over the water, and it looks really cool.
So, we are in the RV right now. Hey. We are here. There's a bunch of RVs. But yeah, I'm bringing my stuff in the RV. So we are at Publix right now. We're just getting like food and stuff. Okay, let's go over here. We're just getting like food and stuff. And yeah. So we're back from the store and we got some gum. And I got my food. I just got like some, chicken stuff from like the deli or something like that. And we are back. Back in better than ever.
Not too late. We're done laughing now.
So we went swimming, not really. We just like had a photo shoot. We just had a.
We had a
someone
photo shoot.
tooted. Where's mine?
I think you, Papa.
My legs aren't down there.
Wait.
Oh my god! Hey guys! So right now we're just chilling. We're about to watch some Grey's Anatomy or Riverdale or something. And we have the cocoa butter. Hey guys! So today we are... Wait, what time is it?
12 o'clock.
It's
Exactly.
12 o'clock exactly. And we are going go-kart. We're riding go-karts today. And we're sitting by the pool and swimming and stuff. So yeah, we woke up like around 9.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we've just been kind of hanging out. But yeah. Hey guys.
We're at the track.
So we're at the track. There's a big one over there. But yeah, it's gonna be really
If I
fun.
want to drive the double cart as a single, am I allowed to do that for a bigger engine? Can I do that later? No, not right now. I was just curious if I could run a little faster. All
Oh
right.
my god.
Go ahead, girls.
Yes, Erica. Say hey. So we
just
Carrie.
Holy, it's 5 miles.
So we just did
We did like the medium track.
yeah, and it's really hot outside. I wonder how much how hot it is. But yeah, we're all sweating, but having a bunch of fun.
It is exceptional.
Oh yeah, we'll be spinning too.
1,000
Yeah,
tickets.
we won $1,000 like ball thing and like one of those like claw things, and we get 1,000 tickets.
Hey you guys, this is my best friend. She's camping with us. She's in a different camper, but she's still camping with us. She's my best friend. And we're gonna ride bumper boats together. With my mom.
So we got soaking wet from the what's it called?
The boat ride.
The boat thing, boat bumpers or something.
And then
We got with 1,000, and we got another 125.
They got the 1,000 from me. Don't let them fool you.
and
then we just got
like a bunch
little. Hey guys, so right now I'm like tanning or whatever. Erica is in the bathroom, and I did get like, I don't know if I got sunburnt right there, but I think I got more on my face. Like I was already kind of sunburnt, but it's okay, I have aloe. But I just realized that I got sunburnt on my, like there's like a line right there. I got sunburnt from my shorts, and Miss Curry said I got sunburnt like from my tank top.
Who is this too?
So, it's, what time is it?
Brooke, this is someone important.
It's 11:08. So we are going to bed soon, so yeah. Hey guys, so we are leaving.
Yeah, we just got packed up.
Like, we're still in the camper, but we're like leaving any second, so